This video explains how to install Cobol Check version 010 on a Microsoft Windows 10 system. We assume you have the following installed. You need a Java runtime environment version 1.8 or later. You need a Cobol compiler. And you need a web browser. First, visit the project homepage and download the distribution archive. Then, navigate to the directory of your choice, copy the archive there, and expand it. If you installed GNU Cobol using Arnold Tremblay's binaries, you may need to set the environment variables in the current shell before proceeding. Once that's done, verify the installation by running the sample programs included with the distribution. Then visit the GitHub page and see the wiki for further documentation.